If you are using Notion as a CRM, you probably have to set all your clients and leads right here in Notion. But all the important email conversations are happening here in your mailbox, completely disconnected from your Notion CRM. Trying to sync them manually usually means a lot of copy pasting and lost context. That was exactly our case, and that's why we built Slap. I'm going to show you how Slap bridges this gap. All you need in Notion is a simple structure. One database for your contacts and a second database for your leads or email threads linked directly to your contacts. We've built a free template with this exact structure, and the link is in the description. Now let's switch to Slap. The setup is super simple. You just tell Slap which database is for your contact and which one is for your emails or leads, and define your Notion properties. Then you connect your mailbox, and that's it. When a new email arrives, Slap instantly creates a new page in your leads database. You can see the content of the email in the comment section, and you can reply right from Notion. The email will directly be sent to your client. Your team also has access and can reply, which makes the collaboration super easy. It also finds the right contact, so there is no more manual work. You can go to any client's page and instantly see every single email conversation, perfectly organized. Stop losing context in siloed inbox. Bring your client conversation into your team's workspace in Notion. You can click in the description to start your free trial and grab the free template.